So in this video, we are going to be discussing how to resolve fingerprint issue not matching on your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. So if you're interested in this, stay glued to this video. Let's dive in. Click on your setting app, then go to your security and privacy, then click on it, go to your screen lock and biometrics. There you're going to see fingerprint option. So click on the fingerprint, yes. Once you click on it, go to your already added fingerprint, your fingerprint one or anything using saving it, remove it. Once you remove it, go back to your settings. You're going to see software update. Click on software update and install. The new software will now install, but if yours is up to date like my, then switch off your phone after removing the fingerprint and switch it on back again. Once you switch it on, go to your settings where you remove the first fingerprint and click on add fingerprint. Then you start your fingerprint biometrics, right? Good. Just like this. Just keep on removing, putting back your fingerprint at the side of your phone where the fingerprint place is. Just keep on until it reaches 100%. Once it reaches 100, click on done. So you already added the new fingerprint. If it works for you, please like, comment and share.